Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about finding the zeros of linear functions graphically. The first step to do this is, remember, linear functions are just functions that are lines, so equations that are lines. I've got an equation of a line here, y equals 4x minus 12. And what I've done is create an xy chart or a table. For my domain, and remember domain just means x, for my domain I've inserted 1, 2, and 3. So what I need to do is go ahead and do that over here and by inserting it into this function here. Okay, so for the first one, we have 4 times 1. So we would get y equals 4 minus 12. If we add the opposite, we end up with negative 8. So when we plug in 1 for x, we get a negative 8 for y. My voice squeaked there. That was weird. Okay, let's try this now for 2. If I plug in 2 for my x here, I get y equals 8 minus 12. Add the opposite, I get y equals negative 4. All right. Now for this last one, we're going to plug in 3. When I plug in 3, I get 12. So y equals 12 minus 12, which will give us 0. So let's go about graphing these points. We go over 1 and then we go down 8 for our first point here. So over 1, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go over 2 and down 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you have a hard time remembering if you're supposed to go up, down, or left, right first, think about it like this. You're going over, you have to walk towards an elevator before you can go up and down. So if that is a struggle for you, that's a good way to remember it. So the next one we have to do is over 3, up 0. So we're going to go over 1, 2, 3, and we go up 0. So we put our dot right here. Then what we do is we use our straight edge always when we are graphing lines. We've got a straight edge here. Draw that and you see that it crosses right here on our x-axis at 3, right? And that means when y is 0, x is 3. So that's called finding our zeros. When our y is 0, that gives us our x-intercept or our zeros for the linear function. Hope that helped. Look forward to seeing you next time.